Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make soft pooris. These pooris are great because you can keep them in the fridge and warm it up and eat for up to 2 weeks. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of plain flour, some oil for frying, 1/3 cup plus 1 teaspoon of tap water, 1/4 cup of hot water, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 tablespoons of oil for making the dough. You will also need a rolling board, a rolling pin, and a tray for putting the rolled pooris on. To make the dough, take your plain flour, add salt and 1 tablespoon of oil, which is equal to 2 teaspoons, and give it a quick mix. Now add the hot water and mix it well. Add all the cold water and knead it into a stiff dough. I still got some dry flour left in the bottom of the dish. Do not add any more water. Continue kneading until it all comes together. Add half a teaspoon of oil and knead it again until it becomes nice and smooth. Cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, knead the dough again. Spread your tea towel on the bench top. Put your rolling board on top to stop it from moving. Place the dough on the rolling board and roll it into a log. Break it in half. Now take 1/2 of the dough at a time, roll it into a log again and break it into small pieces depending on the size of pooris you want to make. Take each small piece of dough, roll it into a ball, flatten it slightly and put them in the dish. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. To roll the pooris, take 1 flattened ball at a time and roll it into a small poori. For some reason, if your poori is sticking, then you can dust it with a little bit of dry flour while rolling. I have finished rolling up all my pooris. Now it's time to fry them. Take a wok, put it on high heat, add oil and heat it. You will also need to line a dish with some paper towels and you will need a slotted spoon. When the oil gets hot, add 1 poori at a time and let it come up to the surface. Then start pressing it down with your slotted spoon until it puffs up. Flip it over and let it cook for another 10 to 15 seconds. Take it out, shake the excess oil off and put them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished frying up all the pooris. My pooris are ready. You can serve them hot or cold with your favorite curries. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.